Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. Scarlett wants to start the vlog off in a basket. Hi. What are you doing in there?
I was just climbing in.
You're just climbing in?
I was
You're insane. Well, good morning, guys. I've got to go to a dentist appointment, and then after that, we have Amaya's,
2-week appointment.
yeah, her 2-week appointment, even though she's going to be 3 weeks in a couple days. She's in there. She kept Mom up all night. I got some intermittent sleep, which was alright. I didn't sleep too bad. Marissa's running on empty.
No. I didn't hear any crying today.
No, I didn't hear any crying either, so that's good. Amaya's at least been respectful. Bailey ate her breakfast, which is awesome.
No.
And now she wants to play. Scarlett Ann, be nice to her. She wants to play with you. Throw the toy. Throw the toy for her.
She is not putting it down for me.
Oh, she wants to give you kisses. I love my sister.
No.
All right. Is that really the version of you want in the vlog?
No.
All right. Well, let's be nice to Bailey. Apologize to her.
Sorry.
Okay. Now get out of the basket, crazy.
I can't.
Yes, you can. So I'm at the dentist and I'm trying to leave, and of course there's an ambulance right behind me loading up a stretcher, like blocking me in. So good times.
Right now we're on our way to Amaya's appointment. I'm really surprised we're actually going to be early.
No, we're not. It's 11:30, isn't
First of all, it's 12:30. Our appointment's at 12:45.
Oh, I thought it was at 12. I'm over
No.
here rushing out of the house.
And anyway,
Sorry.
I'm like really proud of myself today too. I got me and the girls ready like super early. Like usually you've been watching. I know the girls. It's weird to say that, but usually I'm like just making it by like noon. But today we were all ready by 10:45. That's like the earliest since having a newborn now. So pat on the back over here for me.
I don't know how you're doing it.
I don't know. I'm surprised. Last night when we told Scarlett that Maya had an appointment today, she's like, "Ooh, can I come?" I'm like, "Yeah." And then this morning she's like, "I want to stay with Mom." I'm like, "Okay." So she's with my mom, which is probably better because all she's gonna want to do here is watch something on the phone anyway. So I'd rather her,
Oh my God, no one
play.
wants to park in this lot.
No, they don't. Yeah, we're gonna go see how much she weighs, and hey, I don't know what else they're gonna do. I think that's really it. Talk to me about how she's doing, and
I
then.
have to park across the street.
Oh, I hate this. I feel like the parking lot's getting even smaller.
Oh yeah, because they're
Yeah,
building
they're doing-
a wall around it for no reason.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, we got one spot available right here.
Can you fit?
I can fit.
You're
It's
gonna
hard to
fit. Oh, this door
Everything
open.
fits in a fit.
Anyway, last night was absolutely awful with sleep. I had a feeling because Amaya was literally sleeping like all day. And I was like, she's gonna be up all night. And I was right. Go to bed, and she's just wide awake till like literally 4 a.m. I was like, are you kidding me right now? Like she would fall asleep for like 5 minutes and then wake up. And I don't know if she was just like gassy or just overtired. Like it was just, she shouldn't have been up for like 5 hours straight. It was insane. And I was just like so desperate to sleep. I'm like, please. Like I'd let her lay on me for a bit. Then I tried to put her in her bassinet and she wasn't about it. And then she finally did fall asleep, and she slept for like almost 4 hours straight. And I woke up like with my chest hurting. I was like, oh my God, because like I needed to go pump. So yeah. And then it was like 30 minutes till Scarlett woke up. So I was just like hanging around waiting in the bed and occasionally passing out. But what are you going to do? Maybe tonight will be better. I don't know. Can I sleep now? I'm sleeping. You have no comments?
I'll sleep now.
You slept. I'm already starting up back there.
It's fine.
Oh, also, I finally got her in a 0 to 3 onesie. I don't know why I'm like trying to rush it, but like we have all these Halloween onesies. Well, all 2, and I haven't been able to put them on her, so I got one, and I'm trying to do like I had taken a picture of the onesie with my belly, and then one of her wearing it. So here's that. Yay, cute.
I like the outfit.
Yeah. All right, let's go see how much she weighs.
Okay. So she grew a little bit.
Yeah, so I thought she'd already be 8 pounds. On the 13th on the 16th she was 7 pounds 1 ounce. Today she's 7 pounds 13 and a half ounces. So she got 12 and a half ounces. And then She was 20 inches long. Now she's 20.75 inches. Her head was 13.5 and now it's 14.5. So you're growing. She's like, I don't want to hear it. I just want to go to sleep. So Amaya had to get a RSV vaccine.
Shouldn't have to.
Yeah,
get it.
I don't know why
I thought it was
that.
a good idea. It's
We
not
both
like
did.
it's an antibody vaccine. It's not like the virus. Like it's not like typical vaccine.
Yeah.
It's not like the COVID vaccine, and it's not like the flu vaccine. It's just antibodies. It's just an antibody injection.
Yes.
And it's good for the season, which is good.
Scarlett had RSV last year, and I just don't want to see a little tiny baby go through that. So I don't know. She brought it up last time. They didn't have it available, so we kind of discussed it. We're like, yeah,
they
we'll
had
do
it last time. They didn't have the approval to give it.
Oh.
They had the stock.
Okay.
It's one of the only places that has it around here.
Yeah, so she did that. I felt so bad. Like, she turned all red and started screaming, but she settled pretty fast, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't think she would settle as fast, so.
They also said she has a small heart murmur, which is kind of terrifying to think about.
Yeah, like, I'm trying to stay off Google, but I probably will go on Google.
Don't go on Google.
But yeah, she said it's not bad. We're going to keep an eye on it.
Something
It's
she should grow
normal,
out of.
but it's just to hear it. I'm like, I had a feeling too, because she just kept like listening to her chest, and I was like, why is she overly listening? And then I'm like, I was just expecting, but I wasn't expecting it, but I kept thinking, I'm like, something's going on. But yeah, so try not to worry about it. But she has an appointment in a month, so then we'll go from there. Other than that, everything was good. I talked to their breastfeeding specialist too. Pretty much gave me all the same information I already know, but they did give me a hacker.
Oh, listen to you over here.
No, I've been researching. I've been told by the other specialists at Women and Infants. Like, I'm not saying like I'm all knowledgeable. Clearly, if the kid won't latch.
The specialist came in the room and Marissa immediately goes, "I know more than you."
Yeah. Okay.
I know more than you.
Sure. That's what I did. But I got a free hacker, so that's exciting.
That is exciting.
It's like a breast pump, like a manual one, so it'll be good to have. But we'll see. I don't know. I just have faith that she'll latch within the month or so, like Scarlett did.
I think she will too.
Because she's getting bigger, and I just feel like the proportions of her head versus my chest will balance out eventually. I don't know. I really thought she was already 8 pounds.
Gummies.
I'm surprised. Gummies. What else was I gonna say? I keep losing my train of thought. I don't know.
What the hell are they building back there?
Alright, let's just go home and maybe my thoughts will come back. These two are driving me nuts. We need it to stop raining so we can go in the yard and let some energy out because I don't even know right now. Oh my god. I mean, I'm glad you guys are playing, but here we go. You guys know, the ones that watch all the time. You see them running in the yard. There's not enough space for this in the house.
Racing.
You're racing?
Yes.
2 more days and Bailey can get her donut off.
Yes.
Also, as always, I don't know how Amaya sleeps through this. Look, she doesn't even flinch. Not one flinch. Who's winning the race?
Me.
You're winning?
Yeah.
Bailey, you're nuts.
I'm going to win.
And Scarlett wins the race. Are you excited that tomorrow's Halloween?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna go trick-or-treating?
And I get to ring the doorbell.
Yeah, and what happens when you ring the doorbell? Oh, Bailey just jumped over you. When you ring the doorbell, what happens? What do you say?
I just don't like saying it.
You don't like saying it? What are you supposed to say?
Like trick or treat.
Yeah. Bailey, can you not put your bone on Scarlett?
I win. Now it's Bill's turn.
So wait, whoa. What happens after you say trick-or-treat?
Thank you.
No, well, yeah, but what do they do? Do you get something?
Yeah.
What do you get?
Candy.
Ooh, and then that's when you say thank you?
Yeah. Bill's winning the race.
Back to the race, okay.
Bill's winning the race now. I won.
You won, and now Bailey's winning?
Yes. Bill's gonna win now.
I can't.
I won. I won again.
Woohoo!
Yes, the race. Billy, you're going to win again.
Thank you for keeping me distracted. 'Cause I have a lot on my mind right now.
I said what?
Yeah, I don't know. I made the mistake in Googling that whole heart murmur stuff, so like now I'm just like overly thinking about it. But everything does say that they usually grow out of it, so yeah.
You're
I
going
don't
to win, Billy.
Just worried.
You're going to win.
Oh gosh. I can't. Anyway, I think I'm gonna just wrap up the vlog here. We will see you guys tomorrow for Halloween.
You have to look us during the race.
I have been.
Do it again.
I still am. I've been vlogging you for 3 minutes now. But we're gonna say goodbye to everyone and see them tomorrow for Halloween.
Bye.
And say Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Woohoo.
Bye everyone.